mpaka mtoi wangu ni dem, lakini bado wewe kwa mgumu wewe. Kwa nini? Hakuna rais town? Hakuna rais.
I have been a fan of Mkurugenzi for quite some times now, and I have seen how his lifestyle is arranged, and I have seen how he's practicing to create a content creation to be a bigger industry in Kenya. And one of the finest shows that ambayo napenda ya Mkuru, it is family show. Mkurugenzi family show. Kama ile ya family with Mutua's family. I love that thing because it was hiyo kitu imenibamba. It shows some lifestyles ambao wasa wanakaba kuna shindu. Is really marriage existing like this? Kuna marriage in exist kama hizi? Yani hata kitu nimekuja kula is trying to outreach to people, paraphrase of photographer or videographer, a video about marriage. Marriage is good. And your motives negative. He's trying to paraphrase to people to show people that marriage is good. Only if you understand your opponent. That's the key thing. Melana about Mkuru for quite some time lately. I have learned things about his lifestyle and his family. Yeah, I love it, guys. And for the key thing about Mkuja to realize, msee akizeeka, what next? Atakuwa anapata hizo story bado.
Mama nani? Sasa utumalize. Nilikuwa tu unajua saa nyingine ni poa una dance.
Some quite videos, some things ambao hizi perform. But msee, mimi nashinda kizeeka sasa. Today I'm quitting YouTube. Guy. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do seriously. As I do, I'm quitting YouTube because of some things at your life. Afadhali tutafute milioni tumulike kwanza endelee. Because that person is doing good things, quality things, guy. Kwanza message usaidia kupiga content reacting. Mkuru mimi
nikuonyesha body count yangu sasa unaweza shangaa sana huyu.
Siko mcheki